Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to extract data from a website without any tool, just by Google Sheets. Firstly, I'll go on a Yelp and I'll copy here its link. After copy it, I'll go in a first cell of my sheet. Right here, import HTML, double quote, put here link. In a query, we'll write here list and then close bracket. Now press enter. First time it will ask for permission, and you can see it's extracted successfully. You can sort out this data after extraction. One thing more about it, you can't use it directly. You'll need to just copy this data. After copy this is special values only. Now you can edit this data. I hope you understand. One thing is more about this trick that it's mostly working well for table. Like I'll show here table. Go into Wikipedia and copy its link. It's perfectly working for a table. Import HTML. Here will be URL, and now in query I'll write here table. Last time for list, but for now table. Close this bracket and press here enter. As you can see, it's include a table that successfully copy. I hope you understand. Let me know if you have any question about it.